guys, and welcome back. And today I got a Gravedigger with penguins from Spin Master. Let's see what I have for today. I mean that time flies with a new body, but I have a Hot Wheels, but I mean that color. I mean Spin Master Bad Mules travels fast, but I have a Hot Wheels. I mean a zombie with color treads, but I have a Spin Master of regular zombie and fire zombie, but I have a Hot Wheels as well. I mean Pirate's Curse with green tires, but I have a regular Spin Master Pirate's Curse and Hot Wheels 1. I have sorry about that, but let's keep going. I have an Ally with a Hot Wheels 1, but I mean a Spin Master that one. I only had a one fly with Gravedigger. I have Ice Cream Hot Wheels and Spin Master, but I mean a different chassis. I mean a training of Shaker, but I had a regular Shaker. I want to go Hot Wheels. Let's get into it. Gravedigger with pink wheels. That's pretty awesome. Let's do a comparison. But here's a figure, by the way. Let's do a comparison between regular Gravedigger and pink wheels Gravedigger. They both like the same, but they look different. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.